హలో ఎవ్రీవన్, వెల్కమ్ బ్యాక్ టు హస్మైకా స్టాక్. ఈ వీడియోలో గ్రామ వార్డు సచివాలయ పరీక్షలలోని డిజిటల్ అసిస్టెంట్కి ప్రిపేర్ అయ్యే వారి కొరకు డిజిటల్ మాడ్యులేషన్ అనే టాపిక్ నుండి కొన్ని ఇంపార్టెంట్ బిట్స్ చూద్దాం. ఫస్ట్ బిట్, మోడర్న్ మొబైల్ కమ్యూనికేషన్ సిస్టమ్స్ యూజ్ డిజిటల్ మాడ్యులేషన్ టెక్నిక్స్. Next bit, in digital communication system, in order to increase noise immunity, it is necessary to increase. In digital communication system, in order to increase noise immunity, it is necessary to increase signal power. Next bit, what are the advantages of digital modulation? Greater security and easier multiplexing. Next bit, desirable modulation scheme provides. A desirable modulation scheme provides low bit rate. Next bit, the performance of modulation scheme is not measured in terms of. Transmitted power. Next bit, the modulation techniques used to convert analog signal into digital signal are. The modulation techniques used to convert analog signal into digital signal are pulse code modulation, delta modulation and adaptive delta modulation. Next bit, pulse code modulation is defined as. PCM is defined as a signal is pulse code modulated to convert its analog information into a binary sequence, that is ones and zeros. Next bit, delta modulation is a technique that converts or encodes message signal into a binary bit stream, is known as delta modulation. Next bit, the sequence of operations in which pulse code modulation is done is sampling, quantizing and encoding. Next bit, the process of converting the analog sample into discrete form is called quantization. Next bit, the expression for bandwidth of a pulse code modulation system is. The expression for bandwidth of a pulse code modulation is bandwidth greater than or equal to VFM, where V is the number of bits per sample and FM is the modulating frequency. Next bit, one of the disadvantage of pulse code modulation is it requires large bandwidth. Next bit, in differential pulse code modulation techniques, the decoding is performed by. Accumulator. Next bit, what are the digital modulation techniques? Amplitude shift keying, frequency shift keying and phase shift keying. Next bit, amplitude shift keying is defined as. ASK is defined as the amplitude of the carrier signal is varied based on the information in a digital signal. Next bit, which is called as on-off keying. Amplitude shift keying and unipolar pulse amplitude modulation. Next bit, in on-off keying, the carrier signal is transmitted with signal value 1 and 0 indicates. In on-off keying, the carrier signal is transmitted with signal value 1 and 0 indicates no carrier. Next bit, ASK modulated signal bandwidth is same as the bandwidth of baseband signal. Next bit, coherent detection of binary ASK signal requires. Answer, phase and timing synchronization. Next bit, FSK is defined as. The frequency of the carrier signal is varied based on the information in a digital signal. Next bit, FSK reception is phase coherent and non-coherent. Next bit, FSK reception uses correlation and phase lock loop. Next bit, which factor measured in non-coherent reception? Answer, energy. Next bit, simulation is used to determine bit error rate. Next bit, matched filter is a demodulation technique. Next bit, PSK is defined as the phase of the carrier signal is varied based on the information in a digital signal. Next bit, in DPSK is nothing but differential phase shift keying technique. The technique used to encode bits is differential code. Next bit, the technique that may be used to reduce the sideband power is Gaussian minimum shift keying. Next bit, minimum shift keying is similar to continuous phase frequency shift keying. Next bit, QPSK system uses a phase shift of pi by 2. Next bit, the data rate of QPSK is twice of bipolar phase shift keying. Next bit, QPSK is a modulation scheme where each symbol consists of 2 bits. Next bit, QAM is defined as quadrature amplitude modulation is defined as the phase and amplitude of the carrier signal is varied based on the information in a digital signal. Next bit, which system uses QAM? Digital microwave relay and dial-up modem. Next bit, timing jitter is deviation in location of the pulses. Next bit, probability density function defines amplitude of random noise. Next bit, most modern modem use dash for digital to analog modulation. QAM. Next bit, impulse noise is caused due to switching transients, lightning strikes and power line load switching. Next bit, bit rate is the number of bits per second. Next bit, baud rate is always less than or equal to bit rate. Okay, here delta modulation already previous bits lo vachindandi. Next bit, in digital transmission delta modulation requires minimum bandwidth. Next bit, in delta modulation 1 bit per sample is transmitted and dash is fixed. In delta modulation 1 bit per sample is transmitted and dash is fixed. Step size. Next bit, multiplexing is defined as it is a method by which multiple analog or digital signals are combined into one signal over a shared medium. ఈ వీడియో మీకు నచ్చినట్లయితే లైక్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి అండ్ సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి. థ్యాంక్స్ ఫర్ వాచింగ్.